Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is Faith James. I'm the CEO and founder of the Personal Branding Consultancy, and my agency helps entrepreneurs, small business owners, executives focus in on leveling up their brand visibility. I do that through several programs from one-on-one coaching to group. And what I want to talk to you about today is the Branding Over Brunch workshop. Every month I do a 3-hour workshop that's curated. It's a small, intimate group because what we're doing is we're actually working on developing your brand asset. So know that when you complete the workshop, you will actually walk away with a tangible asset, one of which you are looking at here. So the October session, which is October 24th at 1 p.m. Eastern, we're going to be focusing on your digital media kit creation, as well as your branded bio, both the long format and the short format. So I just want to take you through a little bit of what a digital media kit looks like. And if you're a speaker, you're a coach, you're an entrepreneur, you're looking to get on stages because you understand full well that when you speak in front of audiences, it exponentially grows your brand reach, your engagement, and the like. So this is my media kit. And the thing that's really interesting and unique about what we're going to be doing in this session is creating one just for you. Why you want a digital media kit? Because it's alive. It literally is alive. So I'm going to demonstrate to you. So this is a link you see here. I'm literally working on this from the browser. You can embed a highlight reel. So just imagine if you've done an interview or you have a highlight reel about an event that you've done. This can be embedded right into your media kit. So take a look. Right? And you get the sense of this is really professional. Why you want to have this is that from your digital media kit, so you're sending this to an event producer, you're sending this to a company that's putting on an event, and they're looking to see who is this person, what are they all about. All of your information is right here. So here is the highlight reel. Here is about me. Here's about my agency. Here are my stats in terms of my reach, my influence. Here are my talking topics, and of course, where they can contact. Now, another really interesting thing. So if you don't have this, I need you to listen up and look closely. These are all of my social media platforms. And again, when somebody's inviting you to speak at an event, a retreat, a summit, whatever it might be, they want to know that you have an audience and that you have the ability to connect and share the information about the event. So just take a look at this. So from clicking from your digital media kit, it takes them right to your profile. So they can go ahead and click around, look at your profile, see what you're up to. It's all right here. Then they just jump right back to the digital media kit. Your Facebook page, which I highly suggest everybody has a business page, right? It takes them right to your information. So they're not having to skip around and look for different things to see what you're all about. So you get the point now. Here's the Twitter, here's the Google My Business. If you don't have your Google My Business with reviews on there, I highly suggest you do that. Collection of all of the places that you've been featured. Everything. If you're an author, your books in one collection with your stats in terms of your book release, whether it was a hot seller or number one, in which case you definitely want to have that. If you've got awards, you get to showcase those. And if you've done interviews, no matter what type of interviews, you get to have everything there. So even if they didn't click on any of these, which as you can see here, they're all clickable. So if I clicked on this one.
What are some of the things that we can do to re-engineer people's perspective of how important the personal brand is?
It's one of the most important things we get to focus on. It's our number.
They click and it's there. They want to check out another one.
You know, there's really nothing. Seriously, I mean this from the bottom of my heart. There's nothing like being in the green room. Like, this is where the magic happens.
Right? It is all there. Every single one of these videos are interviews that really showcases your expertise, your ability. to speak. So then here are the specific speaking engagements. I was keynoting in Las Vegas, moderated a panel, was a panelist as well, all of it. And then of course, at the end, where they get to connect with you. So if this is of interest to you, if you are looking for a way to stand out, if you're looking for a way that you can start to create some of these branded assets and they get to be branded so that when you put your first foot forward, what they're seeing is really delivering a really great impression. So go ahead and click on the button in this video. It'll take you to the information about the workshop on the 24th. You can decide if this is a fit for you. I want to encourage you to really take this step. If you don't have something like this and you're looking to get on stages, or you're looking to get in the press, or you're looking to speak at conferences, anything. It could be a corporate conference. It could be a large public conference. You get to have these materials ready to go so that when you get an opportunity, you're not now scurrying to try to get it together. So with your bio, your long format, your short format, and your digital media kit, you will be well set and ready to go. So thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you if you've got any questions, and hope to see you in the workshop. Take care.